Okay, so for example 1, we're looking at this graph, and I want to find this following information. First, the vertex coordinate. I can just really easily see right here, there's my vertex. So this is my vertex. And so that coordinate is -7, 6, -7, comma 6. All right, I'm going to change color a lot. For my A parameter, remember, so I'm going to look for another point here, like this. And I see that I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's -5. And then I'm going out 1, 1, right? So I'll just do this. So -5 and then 1. So that's just -5 over 1, which you would just write as -5. Now for my equation, I'll do this in, well, let's just do purple. We would say y is equal to, remember, it's a times the absolute value of x minus h plus k. And so I now have my 3 parameters I need from parts A and B. And so I would substitute in the a with my -5, and then my h and k. My h becomes -7, so that becomes +7, right? Because we switched the sign. And then my k becomes 6, +6 is my h and k. Okay, my y coordinate intercept. I do not have a y-intercept, but I can use, so for part D, we'll just do in orange. So part D, this is the y-intercept. Intercept, I can just use the equation. So I would say, remember, that's when x is 0. So y is equal to -5 times x plus 7 plus 6. And I just take a 0 and plug it into my x like this. And so I get y is equal to -5 times 0 plus 7 plus 6. Is equal to -5 times the absolute value of 7 plus 6. Absolute value of 7, y is equal to -5 times 7 plus 6. Y is equal to -35 plus 6. Y is equal to -29. So it is 0, comma, -29. All right, my x coordinates, I'll do these in light blue, light green. Yeah, I don't like that color. Yeah, sure, why not light green? Blue-green. So this is E. E, once again, I start with the equation. Y is equal to -5, absolute value of x plus 7 plus 6. Okay, but now I'm substituting 0 into my y, because these are fractions. So this would be 0 equals -5, absolute value of x plus 7 plus 6, -6, -6. That's -6 is equal to -5, absolute value of x plus 7. Divide by -5, divide by -5. I'm not running out of, right? And I get 6 over 5 is equal to absolute value of x plus 7. So this is when we split into 2. And I would say x plus 7 is equal to 6 over 5, and -x minus 7 is equal to 6 over 5. This would be x is equal to 6 over 5 minus 7 over 1, which becomes 35 over 5. X is equal to -6 minus 35, 35 minus 5, 30, 29, 29 over 5. And then this becomes -x is equal to 6 over 5 plus 7 over 1. Which -x is equal to 6 over 5 is 35 over 5. X is equal to -x is equal to 41 over 5. And so just kind of up here, I would say x is equal to -29 over 5, comma, or negative 41 over 5, and that seems to track, right? It's kind of in between those two. Like 41, that's 80 and 1/5, or that's 8 and 1/5 and 5 and 4/5. So they would be negative 29 over 5, comma, wait, no, wrong way. Yeah, 0. No, that's right. 0 and negative 41 over 5, comma, 0. Domain and range, we'll go back to blue. Domain is just all real numbers, so negative infinity to infinity. Range, right, I look at my y values. My maximum value is 6, and I include it because it is at the top. My minimum range is negative infinity, and I always use a parentheses with negative infinity. And I'm done.